Hi guys! First of all, congratulations on choosing the PLA pathway to begin your venture into the UK. I bet you're super excited and tensed at the same time. But if you're watching this video, then I'm thrilled to let you know that you're already on the right track by choosing our platform. Plabable provides thousands of high-yield questions written and reviewed by doctors who work in the NHS. Another feature we offer is the revision guides that help you to review the key concepts before you start solving your questions. With a Plabable subscription, you get to enjoy all these features without having to pay anything extra. Now let me take you through the steps. Once you log into your account, just click on the question bank and a list would pop up. Click on revision guides and there you go. Now there's more to it. You can either type in a specific topic you want to revise, for example, asthma, and the system filters out all the high-yield information on this topic for you. Or you can also type in a specific subject, anatomy, and all that you need to know for this exam would be at your fingertips. In addition, if you click, for example, on brachial plexus, it opens up in an entirely different window without distorting your list of the high-yield topics. Once you're done attending the subject-wise questions, you can revise your theory by accessing our Plabable Gems, which are carefully curated flashcards by Plabable to offer some incredible time-saving and game-changing last-minute revision.